So what is good guys? Ngayon lang is kakatapos lang mapakita yung entry ko sa Vlogmation. And actually 5 kami na nag-present ng entry namin for that contest. Siguro ako yung 3rd year ata na sumali dun sa contest, and merong college din, siguro 1st year ata yun or 2nd year, hindi ko alam, but the rest is puro taga senior high school department. And based on what I saw and based on what I see on their presentation after my presentation, kasi ako yung nauna yung akin yung nauna na presentation, and maganda yung talagang mga edit nila, pagkaka-edit on how they present. Tapos ano pa ba, clarify din yung mga points na gusto nilang sabihin. But hindi ko sinasabing hindi ako proud. For me, based on what I saw, yun yung nakita ko maganda yung mga edit nila on how they present. Siguro hindi ko alam if makukuha ko ba yung spot, kasi sa Friday pa daw malalaman yung resulta ng magiging winners sa Vlogmation na to. And right now kinakabahan ako. Kasi nakita ko yung nila nakita ko yung mga on how they edited their videos. Ibang-iba mula dun sa video ko na nauna, and kinakabahan ako talaga, totally right now. Kinakabahan ako, men. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mafe-feel ko, kung matutuwa ba ako. Siyempre masaya ako for what dun sa ginawa ko, dun sa product na kinalabasan ng vlog ko na in-entry ko sa Vlogmation, sa contest ng school. But it doesn't mean na hindi ako kinakabahan, kasi nakita ko nga yung mga presentation ng ibang estudyante din sa West Bay College. And ayun, hindi ko lang alam. So mapapanood nyo to after this, pinaliwanag ko lang. And if gusto nyo na makita yung video, yung ibang video na present dun sa Vlogmation, ilalagay ko sa description below yung link ng website ng school, or let's say yung mismong presentation na. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Makikita niyo na to in 3, 2, 1. So what is good guys? Before we start, I will introduce myself. I am John Ervin C. Canyaveral, 21 years of age, and currently studying at West Bay College, Alabang, as a 3rd year marine engineering student, and this is my school.
Bring that ass back like a boom 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 boom. Like a boom boom.
Basically, these are the courses that West Bay College offers. Neither you are an upcoming senior high school student or neither an upcoming college student. Please watch this. me and my brother started studying at West Bay College as a senior high school student, and by God's grace, we are both graduated senior high in West Bay College, and here is the clip.
I'll take you to the candy shop.
Next up, you will be seeing the acquaintance parties that I've experienced when I was in senior high up till now that I am a college student at West Bay College. What are we waiting for, guys? Please watch this.
Eyes blue or brown, can't remember. Lord, I try my best since 3rd of December. Eyes green or gray, can't remember, but I bet you know the color of
Last
that.
but not definitely the least, this is a clip where I am in a 1-week ship familiarization in one of the vessels of To Go Travel. Ship familiarization is one of the requirements of the school and by Ched Marina. Please watch this. So yun guys, ang bida nga dito sa ating vlog is ang West Bay College, and West Bay College is my second home kasi dyan ako graduate ng senior high. Up till now, West Bay College pa rin ang dala-dala kong pangalan, and I am proud to be part of the West Bay community. I am proud to be part of the West Baynians kasi they are pushing you harder to work harder. Kasi nandyan sila para gabayan ka. Nandyan sila to give quality education. And madami pang iba eh. Madami ka pang matututunan sa kanila kasi may mga experience na sila, lalo na yung mga professors sa maritime. And ano pa bang mahihiling ko? Wala na eh. Kasi nga West Bay number 1. Kaya West Bay na ang piliin nyo kahit ano man ang mangyari, guys. And nakita nyo naman, meron tayong AB Psychology, BSHM, AHRM, meron din pang senior high, may ano din, may MT, Marine Transportation, and especially engineering tayo, boy. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo, guys? West Bay na, West Bay number 1. So yun guys, nakita nyo na yung presentation ko, or let's say entry ko, and dito na natin tatapusin to. If nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, please like this video and comment down below kung nagustuhan nyo. And kung bago ka pa lang dito sa vlogging channel ko, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell for more updates to come. Peace out. Peace yo.